Coco. Treat. It's cold. Sabaw.
Said hi.
Choco was like, that's not fair, dude. From Mr. Coco. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So what do you smell again? Popeyes? Fried chicken? Oh,
I've never been inside.
Choco, second time Popeye chicken.
Thank you. You too.
Yay! Okay, let's go home. Yay! We got In-N-Out, which we already ate some. And then some Popeye chicken. Baby, are you begging?
Red and orange.
Are you begging me for chicken?
No blue.
Mild and spicy. Good boy! Good boy! Yummy! Balut,
Oh, you want sopa?
do you want? Because I don't. Do you want these drinks? That's all you got?
Yeah, I thought we were gonna eat tonight.
This is good.